Okay, so hi to everyone. See, guys, in our last session, slowly started our list collection, and in that list collection, we saw the what is the list and purpose of list, and how to declare the list, how to create the list, and after creating the list, and then how we can access the list. So basically, after creating the list, we can access the list in three ways: by using indexing, by using slicing, and by using looping control statement. Right? That part is okay. So hi to everyone. See, guys, in our last session, slowly started our list collection, and in that list collection, we saw the what is the list and purpose of list, and how to declare the list, how to create the list, and after creating the list, and then how we can access the list. So basically, after creating the list, we can access the list in three ways. Okay, I think it started in another browser. That's why echo is okay. Right. Right, sir. And today I am going with the basic operation with this string, list, sir. See, what are the basic operation? See, first one, we are going with concatenation. The second one is the repetition, sir. And slicing indexing already we completed. Indexing purpose is what? For accessing the list elements. Slicing also same thing, right? Now I am going to focusing on two things. Concatenation. Sir, concatenation means what? Simple. We are concatenation means this is nothing but a simple plus symbol, sir. It is a plus symbol. Means here we are going to creating two different list object, and the two different list of object you want to, if you want to merge as a single list object, then go with what? Concatenation. Simple thing. Simple things are not only more than two also. Simple thing. Concatenate means more than. Simple thing, more than. Okay, one list object values. Okay. So hi to everyone. See, guys, in your last session, slowly started our list collection, and in that list collection, we saw the what is the list and merge as a single merge as a single list objects, guys. Then go with what? Concatenation. Okay, now we'll see the next one. Repetition repetition the repetition symbol is nothing but a multiplication symbol. Means with single list object we can repeat multiple time. We can repeat a number of time. Suppose, okay, with a single list object, create a multiple times. This is what concatenation and repetitions are. Now we can see one example. You will get more clarity about our basic operation. Now I am coming with. So first I am going with, concatenation, sir. So here I given the nums object. Okay, nums object. And here I am giving one more object, something called odd nums. Here I am giving odd numbers, right? Suppose, 11, 13, and 15, 17, 19, like this I given, sir. After here, two different objects we have, nums and odd nums. Now, if you want to do concatenate, suppose here I am going to printing individually, I am printing the nums, printing nums. And next, if you print here, okay, odd numbers, okay, odd nums individually is printed. But if you want to do concatenation, if you do merge both guys, then use a nums, okay, nums plus just you can use the odd nums plus odd nums. What happens, sir? Two different list object now merged as a one single object, guys. Here you can use it. No, Python code 1.py. Just hit it once. Not code 1.py. So this is what nums, and this is nothing but a odd nums. And here we merging as a two is one object. This is what concatenation. The next one, suppose this one you want to repeat 5 times, sir. Then use a repetition. Just what happened, print, and my object name is odd nums and multiply with 5 means the same list object means this one can repeat it 5 times, sir. One time, second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. Now we can see control yes and run your application. Look here. So first time repeated, second time repeated, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. And this is called concatenation and repetition. So according to your requirement, okay, you can use these two symbols when we are going to using our list concepts, sir. The next one. And from list, if you want to manipulate, if you want to manipulate with our list object, then we are going with list collection functions. And remember here, list object is a mutable object. Means, okay, after creating the list, if required, we can add a new element, we can remove existing element, and we can arrange our element in ascending order, descending order. Okay, if required, we can delete also. Okay, these all are the manipulation methods or manipulation functions in list object. Coming from the first section, insertion methods. So after creating the list object, if you want to insert, okay, insert a new element in specific position, then go with what? Insert. The next one, appending, sir. Appending. Appending means what? Just, okay, we are adding, okay, new group on existing group means new object in existing object, sir. Extend also do same thing, and I will tell you while explaining our example, difference between a append and extend, sir. So finally, after creating the list object, okay, we are going to performing insert of insert, append, or extend. These all are the adding methods. The next one, removal methods. Okay, remove element with element name, pop with indexing. Okay, clear. These are the three methods are removal method. The next one, finding methods are, what is the length of given list object, then use length. Sir, I want to print the minimum value, maximum value, sum, and our count means how many times same element is repeated here, count. And sometimes we can print in reverse direction, sorting, indexing. So we'll see one by one, this all methods are. Now I am coming with that example, you will get more clarity. Right? So here I am taking new example, guys understand. Suppose guys understand names is equal to, here I given your names. I am going with your names today. Okay, the first name is a Lavanya. Lavanya. The second name I am going with Silpa. Silpa. Then third name I am going with no Manideep. money, deep, sir. Right, like this, I given the object, sir. Okay, I'm getting adding other one also, please understand. So this is nothing but my initial object, right? So just I'm going to print these names. Guys, understand. I'm printed names. Okay, save it. Okay, initially I created the object. Now I'm running this code. What happened? Okay, in list collection, I have a three names printed. And after three names, okay, I want to insert one name, sir. That is also specific location. Means I want to insert one name. Okay, either in zero location or in one location or third location or fourth location. Based on location, I want to insert the new name here. Understand? Now I am going to using here. The first function is what? Insert function. We need to insert function, give the element, and here you can write the position, sir. Here I am giving the syntax also. Please understand. Position. Now my requirement is what? In the place of Lavanya, it means zero is position, right? And here I am going to adding the Murli name. So what happened once you add Murali, Lavanya move to the first position, Silpa move to the second, Manadip will go to the fourth position, sir. Then how we can add? Simple names dot use the insert method, and here I am giving the name. Which name, sir? Murali. Okay, Murali. In which position? Simply give the zeroth position. It can be added. And after added, just I'm going to printing the our names object. Control yes. I added new name in zeroth position. Later I am going to printing. What happened you can see. Guys understand. So I think okay. I think first what happened, give the position okay, 0 comma, then use the position. Okay, let me check again. Right. Now it is working, sir. First, you give the position, then give the value. Guys, once I added Murli, okay, actually before Lavanya is 0th index, right? Now, now Murli is a 0th index, Lavanya is 1, 2, and 3. Sir, I want to add one more name in the position of Silpa. Understand? Silpa means what? 0, 1, second position. So once you add new second position, Silpa moved to the third and Manadip moved the fourth position, sir. Means this is the problem in list. So once we are going to adding the new element, our position will be changed. So every time, okay, new memory allocation will be allocated, extra memory allocation. That is the problem, sir. Okay. And now I am going to adding that one, sir. Names dot, what is the method here? Insert. And here I am giving raw, means Kondal raw is it. Just I am giving the raw I given. Later, in which, where we are adding, sir? Okay, in second position. Second position. And later I am going to printing names object. Control, yes. So once you do like this, understand, sir. Rao came second position, Silma moved third, and Mandi will go the fourth position. Like this, we can add a new element after creation the object at specific location by using insert method. Insert method, sir. Slowly, we are going to start it. Manipulation with list objects. Manipulation with list object. Understand? First method. The next, I am going with Then, sir, the next method is nothing but a append, sir. Append, append, append method. Then how we can use? Suppose, okay, here I am going to creating append. Okay, print, and here our method name is what? Append method. And here you can give the element, right? Like this, you can use it. Append method. So names dot use append, and here you can give the element, but better to give it the values. So here I given, list can accept same type and different types also, right? So that, and here I am giving names. So name is what? Tony name I given. The next I am giving, Saira, like this I added. And I'm going to adding one more name, sir, Valli, like this I'm going to adding. So in names, we added new list. Then next, I am going to printing the names. So after appended, understand how we are going to printing the data. Okay, let's just get it. Guys, understand. So now I am coming with clarity. When you do append, list inside the list element, list object is created. So slowly it is going to creating the nested list, sir. Nested list. Now, so Murali is 0th position, 1, 2, 3, and 4th, and this is nothing but a 5th position, sir. Once you write names of 5, automatically these 3 values automatically printed. That is what append. The next method is, so I am going to another way also. Suppose names that I am trying this one, sir. Append, and here I given 120 and something 900. What happened we can see. Then print, is it work or not? Just I am checking in front of you. Control S. Here also I used the append, but when you do like this, what happened? So it is not working. So try to insert with our square bracket, means our list object symbol. Then only it will be work. Clear? And then this is what our append. Append what append do? It can create the nested list. The next one is extend. Means it can expand the existing list object with new objects, sir. Okay. The next one is what we call what we call what we call extend, right? Extend. Then what happened? Names dot extend of, here I am giving, sir. Extend. When you do extend, and use one thing, sir, better to go with, I am creating one more list. Suppose I am creating, food names, just, food, food names like this. I am creating one object, right? And here I given biryani. Okay. The next, beside this one, and here I given, curd rice. Curd rice. Next, here I given lemon rice. Like this I given. And when you do extends, what happened? Okay, in names, we are going to adding the, where we are going to adding here food names. Food names. Food names. So when you do extend, no, just it is not create the, it is not going to creating nested list, sir. Just expand our existing list with new lists. Existing with a new list, guys. That is what extend. Now we can see. But we need to delete that part. Give me 1 minute. Save the application. Now run this application. Right? Guys, once we are doing the what happened? After extends, we are not given print statement, right? Then use the names. Okay, names, guys. Now we can see the application. Sir, when I am writing the extend, what happened? Okay, not related, nested list. Just these items are added within the our names object. This is what we call extend application. So these are the insertion methods. Insertion methods. Insert, append, and extend, sir. If required, you can print, right? So yeah, I'm going to print here food name also. Okay. But food names we added into names. Okay, we are expanding our existing list with new list. Look here, I am going to printing food names separately, and next you can print these are the food names, right? Later we are added these food items into our names object. Guys, runtime we are added, right? So these all are what? Insertion methods. The next, I am going with one by one removal methods, sir. Okay, removal methods means removing removal methods. And in removal method, the first method is nothing but a remove, sir. I am going with which method? Remove. So when you do remove, and here you can use the element name. When you do remove, then give the element name. Now I am coming. Suppose print, and not print directly. So here you can write. No, names dot. What is the method? Remove. And here you can use the name, sir. Sir, what I am doing? So from this name, now I am going to removing which one, sir? Okay. Okay, I am going to removing here Rao name, right? No problem, sir. Don't feel. Okay, just I am going to remove Rao name. So after removing, please and print names like this. I am going to print it after removing, right? So we are going to removing with element name. Look here. So before removing, and here we have a raw name. Now, guys, after removal, there is no raw name, sir. Clear? But so guys, what I am doing, I'll do one thing. Okay, keep it, no issue. And the next method, sir, pop. Pop. Sir, pop also what we will do, remove the element. But sir, pop can remove in two ways. Suppose directly you used names dot pop. What happens, sir? Last element removed first. Last element removed first, sir. Coming from in this output, observe here. In this output, what is the last element? What is the last element now? Okay, lemon rice is a last one. That one will be removed. Okay, pop can use two ways. Okay, just I am going to showing you understand. Okay, after this one, sir, understand. Lemon rice is deleted, right? Suppose directly you guys can use pop, last element remove first, sir. The same pop we can use in another way, sir. Names dot pop, and this time I am giving the index, sir. Index. Suppose I am giving zeroth index. Zeroth means what? And this one can remove with the index position. Okay, remove elements with the index position. Index position, sir. Index position. Let us see the output. Index position. Now run this application. Guys, in first position, what is the name actually? Okay, what is the name? Okay, I think we are not printed again. Right, sir. Again, you can print it. Print names. Print names. Print names. Guys, before in zero position, Murali is there. Okay, after remove Murali, our value started from Lavanya. Clear? So like this, we can remove, sir. And one more way. So now remove and pop. Remove and pop. The next one, clear method. So when you go with clear, sir, all the elements will be removed from the given list object. So how we can write simply, you can use a names dot clear, you can use it. Names dot. Okay. names, names dot, what is the function? Clear function. After clear, what happened? Empty list will be displayed, sir. All the elements were removed and we can keep the empty list, guys. Observe here. Everything is removed, the empty list object is going to show it. So like this, we are going to removing element with a specific value and removing element last one and removing element with index position and we are clearing the everything, sir. So this is what we call, sir. Okay, insert, append, extend, and the next one is okay, remove, pop and index example, right? So here I am giving the examples. The next one, I am going with some checking methods, sir. Checking methods. Length, min, max. Now will come one by one. So up to here, are you clear? Please need our response. Say yes or no in our my chat box, please. Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please say yes or no in chat box. Okay, thank you. Right? Slowly we'll go with remaining methods, sir. Right? I am coming with this one. And sir, I'm going to removing this all those things. Again, we'll back, right? Here. Okay. And here also I'm going to removing. Okay. Now what I will do one thing, sir. These items slowly I'm going to add into answer into here with comma. Right? Now the first method. Array, I want to find the length of this object, sir. Length means how many elements we have. Right? Then print, then find length, sir. Find length. Find length. To find length, then use length function. How we can use? So directly I am writing print. Okay, print length of names, guys. Length of names. Automatically length is printed. Control, yes. The next second method. Second method. Okay. What is second method, sir? Here, min, max, sum, and count. These are the, calculation methods, sir. Calculation methods. Suppose I want to find the minimum, but guys, min, max, count, min, max, and sum. Better to use a, number, same type of values. Same type of elements. Now for that what I am doing, okay, I am taking another objects, another object I am taking with numbers, right? Then only you will get more clarity. So now the length is 6, right? Printed. And now what I am doing after this one, suppose nums I am taking, nums is equal to, here I can 100 value, 200 value, 9 value, okay, 900 value, then I given 5 value, okay, 5 value, and 450, okay, like this number, and 0, next I given 45, like this I given the names. And from this nums, I want to print the min value, sir. Minimum value of a given num, smallest value. Then what happens? Simply you can use a print. Okay, nums. Just what happens, sir? What happened? Min of nums. Automatically, the minimum value of given nums object is 0. The next, suppose you want to print a max value of nums. Max value as nums, sir. Then use here, okay, max of Max of nums we can use it. Now here, what is the max value? I think, okay, four nines. Then, I want to do sum of the numbers, sir. Sum means what? Okay, 100 plus 2, everything, right? Sum of nums. It can print a sum of given number. Sum means what? 100 plus 200 plus 9 plus 900, like this. Some value can be printed. Right? After sum, the next ones are count means what? I'll do one thing here. I'm taking one more number, sir, intentionally. Okay, I'm taking 9, again taking the 45. I'm going to take 45, sir. Observe here, 45 I taken 3 times. Now my question is what? In num subject, 45 value how many times is repeated? I want to count it. Then what happens, sir? Nums dot, then use what is the function? Count of 45. Here I am checking. 45 value, how many times is repeated? Then it can return 3 times. Then print, again same thing. Nums dot, count function. Count of, nums dot, count of 9 is how many times is repeated. I want to test it, sir. It can return the one value. Now I am going with one by one. Please understand. Okay. These are all are the aggregation functions, sir. Minimum value is 0. Maximum value is 4 9. The next one, what is the value, sir? No, sum of nums we printed. Some values we printed. The next here, 3. How many times repeated here? 3 times. I think 9 2 time is repeated. Like this, we are going to counting, sir. The next one, after this one, and the next ones are sorting methods. Which method? Sorting. Sorting means what? Either we are going to arranging our data ascending order or descending order. But guys, with this sort, we can arrange our element in ascending order only. Ascending means what? Smallest to biggest one. Smallest to biggest one. Again, I am repeating. Again, I am repeating, sir. We can, if you want to arrange the element, arrange it element, arrange it element. Okay, ascending order, then go with what? Sort. Now, how we can print? So, I am going with names, right? So, what happens are names dot, then use the sort function. Then, after sorting it, just print the names, guys. So I am going here. Actually, sir, L is nothing but a 13. AC is a 16. M is, okay, sorry, L is M 13 and L is 12. S is 16. Okay. Okay. B is 2. C is 3. And again, L is what? 12, sir. Means what? Biryani will come first. Curd will come second. Then L. Yes or no? That is what our ascending order. Now I am going to printing that. Look, sir. What happened? Because of L is uppercase I given, right? Okay, uppercase value always start with smaller one. That's why L is came first. Then B, right? Like this came in. So if you get more clarity, here I am giving with L value I given. Now, our output will be changed. First, ascending order is going to print it. Sir, I want to print in descending order, sir. Descending order. So, guys, and there you can print a descending order. So simply here you can write small statement names dot same sort function, but here you can write a reverse is equal to true. You can write, sir. Now it can print in backward direction, means descending order, guys. Now here I am going to printing the output. Right? Ascending order and next descending order. This sorting method, sir. The last one, guys. No, before sort, I will tell you that one reverse method. Reverse method. So, sir, reverse method not for ascending and descending purpose. Just your element can arrange in backward direction. Backward direction. Simple thing, names dot. If I give the reverse, sorry. Okay, reverse like this. And after reverse, just I am going to print names or element. What happened? It can arrange in backward order. Means first it can print 11 like this, backward direction. Reverse won't do ascending and descending. Just it can arrange it. Okay, backward to means right to left can be printed. Look here. This is what our reverse orders are. So these are the manipulation methods given in our list object, list collection object. Right? This is the story about our manipulation methods. So like this, you can take any kind of object and according to their requirement, you can do manipulation methods. Right? And here one more concepts. Nested lists are. Nested list. Simple thing. List object inside. If you create one more list, then what we call nested list, guys. Again, I am repeating. Suppose if you create list object inside another list object, is a concept is called a nested list. Nested list. Nested list, guys. Now I am coming with clear cut explanation and with example also. Right? Now, the definition is what? Simple. The simple, sir, a nested list, nested list is a simply, okay, a list inside the another, a list inside another list. Another list is called nested list, sir. Means list inside the list is what? Nested list. Then how we can declare? Coming to the point. So simple declaration. Already just again I am going to highlighting declaration. See here I given the okay. Suppose LST is a object, or I am giving nested underscore list like this I given. Look here. And here I given, what happened? Uh, 10 value, comma, 20 value, comma, 30 value I given. Again, comma, okay. And 30, next 40, 50, and 60, comma, again 70, okay, 80, and 90 values, sir. Understand? This is what nested list. And here you can other values also, no issue. Suppose here I am giving 200 comma like this. And here I given 900 comma this one. Observe here. Okay, first value is 200, second value is 900. This is our outside list. Okay. And inside list we given another value, sir. These are called list inside list object. Then what we call nested list. Okay, and after creating it, then how we can access this list? Sir, we can access with indexing. We can access with indexing, and sometime we can access with okay, nested for loop also. Nested for loop. We'll see that example in what situation we can use nested list. Now clearly we'll see the examples, right? Suppose I'm going with this one. How we can access? How we can access, guys? Now list created. Sir, the first way we can access with indexing. Access with indexing. Sir, just I am going taking small name. LST taken. Please understand. Right? Or NLST means nested list. Okay, just imagine. Now what happened? LST of 0 I given. Okay, just remove this one, please. Hmm. Sir, once you write this one and it can return back 200. Suppose, okay, if I am printing LST of 1 and now here, okay, it can return back 900 value. Suppose, okay, if I print LST of, okay, 2. So if you print 2, if you access 2, what happened? This complete list will be printed. Guys, clearly understand. Suppose if you print here LST of 3, what happened? And here this complete list will be printed. Okay, now we'll see. Array yes or no. I want to check it. Just I'm checking, sir. Printed happily. But my requirement is what? Sir, I want to print this 10 value, 20 value, and here 40 and 50. Then how we can print? Okay, in this case, then write, sir. Okay, LST of. Guys, understand what is the position of this list? I think 0, 1, and 2, right? Then you can write, sir. 2 of in second position. Nested list first value is nothing but a 0. Like this, we can access. When you write 2 of 0, it can return the 10 value. In the same way, we can access the remaining values also. Means 2 of 0, 2 of 1 like this. 2 of 0, then 2 of 1 and 2 of 2. Here 20 value printed and here 30 value is printed. So let me check yes or no. Like this, we are going to printing nested list value. The same way, similarly, and you can print next list values also. And here you can use, I think, third, 3 of 0, 3 of 1, 3 of 2. Like this, you can print it. 3 of 0 and 3 of 1 and 3 of 2, you can use it. And here it can be printed, 40 value, okay, 50 value, and last one is 60 value will be printed. Now just check it here. So we created and accessing this one, sir. In the sir, we can access with for loop. Yes, we can access. Suppose print. The for loop is very easy, right? Okay, for loop accessing with for loops with the for loop, guys. Just I am decorating better understanding purpose. Now for okay for for I in LST and print I value. Okay, Control S. Just save it and print it. So here is the accessing with for loop, sir. Understand? And this is what our creation accessing one by one. One by one. Okay, first example. Suppose. Actually, sir, when you create nested list and it look like say two-dimensional data. Look like say two-dimensional data means rows and column data. Rows and column data. And in this case, how we can access back one by one. In this situation, we can go with nested for loops, sir. So now understand example number 2, guys. Suppose, and here I am going to store the some student marks. Student marks, guys. Please understand. Marks object I give. And here I am given three student subject marks I given, sir. The first student marks is something called 80, and the next value is 90. The next value is something 75 I given. First three subject student marks and second student subject marks 45, okay, 80 and something 60 and like this I given. And third student subject marks, okay, and 55 and 30 and here I given the 96 like this I given. Guys, understand? It looks like, say, no, first row, three value means three column. Second row, three value means three column. And third row, three value means is a 3 cross 3 matrix, sir. 3 cross 3 matrix. I declared here happily. And after declaration, and if you want to print these values in rows and column format, then go with what? Nested for loop. No, for, okay, just I given the student in a marks. Student in marks. So students in marks. So if you print the student, what happened? Okay, 80, 90, 70, next, like this we printed. Are you understand? Here student indicate the number of rows. And I am going to printing for, and here I given the mark in a student, sir. Mark in student, guys, understand. Marks is a collection from their collected three rows and three column. Okay, and in second for loop, I am going to printing here. Okay, I am taking single row and printing the column and value. So that here you can write print, just I am going to printing the mark comma and give the end is equal something, you can give the space. So I am going to I'm taking first row and printing the, okay, first column and value. And after printing it, I am hitting my row to the next line. Similarly, we are going to printing the our rows and column values one by one here. Look here. Like this, we are going to printing, sir. Three rows and three column and format. So this is what creation and accessing with nested list concepts. Clear my point, please? Are you there? Need a response? Guys, are you understood?
Yes, sir.
And like this, we can, so with nested list, we can perform addition of two matrix, subtraction of two matrix, transpose matrix, right? These all are application we can do with nested list only. Okay, try to do yourself. Okay, we can do, okay, like this only, sir. Okay, this is the story about our nested list. Nested list concept. So takes many problems and practice yourself, you will get more clarity about it. The one more concept is there, sir, list comprehension. Are simple, very simple, sir. With existing list object, we are going to creating the new list, sir. That is what list comprehension. Simple thing, what we call with existing list object, slowly we are going to creating the new list object. That is what list comprehension. Now I am coming with one example. Please give me 1 minute, sir. Okay, I'll finish. Suppose guys understand what happened. Here I given the marks. Suppose I am giving here only one student marks, sir. Initially, the student marks 45, 60, and 70, and I given 80, and I given the 90, sir. So I given only one student marks actually. Initially, the marks are 45, 60, 70, 80, 90, right? This is the list, sir. Now with this list, I am going to creating the new marks. New marks, just I given the empty one I given, sir. Empty one. So what I am doing, sir, unfortunately, I given values are 40, 60, 70. Now what I am doing for each element, I want to add 5 value and create the new list, sir. By using existing list, I am going to new list, sir. For that, what happened? For, okay, in marks, mark in marks. From marks, I am taking one value, and after one value, I am going to adding the 5 values, sir. What happened, sir? Just you can write the mark is equal to mark plus I am going to adding the 5 values, sir. After adding the 5 value, just I am going to updating this object, sir. How we can update? Then what happened? New mark dot, just try the append of mark value. And after appended, just I am going to print my new list, sir. Newly created list. So with existing list, okay, with existing list, for each value I am taking, adding to the 5 value, finally I am going to printing the value, sir. This is what list comprehension. So when you do list comprehension, we guys can use arithmetic operator. Either you can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division value. Let us see. Right? And before, after also I am printing. Then only you can get more clarity. Just I am going to printing the marks, sir. Marks. See, before you can see, and after you can see. Before these are the values. And after, comprehension is completed. What we did, sir, with the existing list object, we create the new list object. This is what list comprehension. And not only addition, sir, you can add any symbol. Suppose, I want to multiply with 5, sir. You can add it. Simply, I will do multiplication. Print it. And not only multiplication. Suppose I want to do minus. With existing one, just we are doing the subtraction, printing. And not only this, subtraction, then you the divisibility, sir. When you do list comprehension, okay, based on your condition, it can perform operation, create the new list with existing list. And here you can use the modulo symbol. If it is okay, I think last value you can, all are 0 is going to print it. Right? And suppose I given the floor division or division, right? Anything you can use it. Double exponent I given, sir. Means 40 to the power of 5 time. Okay, a power value are correct, right? These are the values we are going to print it. So like this, we can perform the operation. This is a list compression. Simple thing. By using existing list, we are going to creating the new list. This the concept is what? List comprehension. Clear? So this is the example for list comprehension. And here we saw the many different kind of output. So that I am going to sending you all the output for you, my friends. Guys, clear? Please need your response up to here. This is the story about our
Yes, sir.
list story. And tomorrow slowly we'll go with another concept is what a tuple. Okay. Why? What happened? Yes, Sivatmika. Which concept you won't understand, Sivatmika?
List compressions.
Give me 1 minute. Okay. I'm coming back for you.